Morning guys, happy Vlogmas Day number 5. It's 5, right? Yes, it's 5. So today is kind of a free-for-all day, I feel like. I just have like yesterday's Vlogmas video to edit and upload. And then I think I'm gonna clean today. I'm not gonna film it just because I want to like do a nice deep clean and like really go through stuff. And then later I have a massage appointment. So that is my day. I sound really stuffy, but right now I'm gonna eat my breakfast and I'm gonna dry my hair in a little bit because I hate wet hair and I hate the way it dries naturally, so I need to take care of that. And then I'm gonna edit, upload, and clean. So that is what I'm doing today. So obviously I still have not done my hair today, so that's fun. Points for me. But you guys, I just had such a stupid moment, okay? So I was getting on Insta stories and I was like saying hi, you know, I was like, happy Wednesday. And like I almost posted that clip and then I realized that it's actually Thursday. So there's that. Apparently I'm just completely confused this week. I feel like because last week was so weird with the schedule because of Thanksgiving, I'm just like, I don't even know what day it is. But yeah, I just wanted to share the little moment that I thought it was Wednesday. I don't know. And the only reason I remembered that it wasn't Wednesday, you guys are gonna laugh, because last night we went to the movies with some friends, and when the movie was over, we were like standing out in the parking lot and we were talking about the movie, and James like made the comment that like it's not busy on Wednesdays because we're gonna go see another movie like next week sometime. And James made the comment about it not being busy on Wednesdays, and we were all like, oh yeah, like everybody's at church because it's Wednesday. Like that's the only reason I remembered that today is not Wednesday. We have a cute little Dixie May and a lamb chop. Who will win? Only one will survive. She's just like, can you please just throw the toy? You want me to throw that? Is that what you want? I know. Well, you can't take it from me. Do you want the lamb chop? Do you want her? Ah! Let go. You gotta throw it. And go. You guys, like, why is she tearing up Lamb Chop? What did Lamb Chop ever do to you? My gosh, poor Lamb Chop. Okay guys, I'm back. I have kind of fixed my hair. It's gonna go up in a ponytail anyway because like I'm getting a massage, so it doesn't even matter what my hair looks like today, other than like it was driving me crazy being wet and you know. So I'm getting ready to have lunch. I'm totally a kid. I just can't be bothered by stuff sometimes. I'm like, I just can't be bothered by this. But I'm having Uncrustables, the strawberry kind. There's 2 of them left in here, but they're only 210 calories. So I'm gonna eat 2 of them because it's like not enough calories for lunch and I'm gonna be hungry later. And update, I have unloaded the dishwasher. I'm getting ready to tackle the dishes. And I also cleaned my room and unpacked that suitcase that was in my bedroom, which was super annoying. And I moved Dixie's bed. So I'm gonna show you guys that real quick because I'm super proud of myself. Dixie, did you make that your little area to sleep? Are you taking a nap? Are you taking a nap without me? You're so stinking cute. Okay, anyway, so I made the bed because I hadn't made that. And then I cleaned up the suitcase and I moved Dixie's bed in here because actually I think I cut this out of the vlog yesterday, but I wanted to move it in here because we are gonna decorate for Christmas hopefully sometime soon, and I'm gonna actually move everything over because I don't want the Christmas tree to go in front of the lights, but I don't want it to block the door either, so I'm gonna like scooch everything over and then put the tree there. I'm hoping to do that this weekend. So yeah, so I just moved her bed. I need to figure out what to do with her toys because I mean, there's room right there, but like, I don't want it to be in my videos, you know? So we'll see. But oh my gosh, is this not the cutest thing ever? You guys, I just love my dog so, so much. Anyway, I'm also printing some stickers and my mom is calling. So I'm gonna answer the phone and talk to my mom. But I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. I'm back from my massage. I'm so sleepy right now though. Like, I'm really sleepy. So it is 5:10. I've been back for like an hour, but I literally just sat on the couch and did nothing. Anyway, I'm going to set you guys down and I'm gonna show you guys like me actually doing something since I haven't done that today. But I'm gonna finish loading the dishwasher so that way I can run it, and then wash the pan so that way I can like make dinner whenever James gets off work. Dishes are done in the dishwasher. I need to like scrub out the sink, but I'm gonna do that after I like do dinner and clean up and everything. But I also made myself this delicious cup of tea. I don't even know if you guys can tell, like, because of the way the lighting is, but look at that foam. So I used regular milk. Actually, it's lactose-free milk, but it like froths so much better than almond milk, and honestly it tastes so much better than almond milk. Like, I don't mind almond milk, but I'm kind of more of a real milk kind of girl. I felt like I just needed a little afternoon pick-me-up because I feel really tired. Okay, so real quick before I start dinner, I think that I'm gonna go through little Dixie May's toy bin and get rid of some stuff. There's stuff in here that seriously, like, she never plays with, or like we have half a pig right here. Hang on. No, this isn't the one that has half a pig. Hang on. There's, like, look at this. Like, she tears up everything. Like, they just look so gross. So I think I'm gonna go through here. I wish I could find the half of a pig. I think it's at my parents' house actually. But I'm gonna go through here and try to get rid of stuff. And look, she knows. She knows. Do you know that I'm trying to throw away your toys? You're gonna make me really sad. This is why I don't go through it, because I know that this one is gonna cry if I throw her toys away, and I feel so bad. Found it, you guys. Here's the half of a pig. She like totally killed this toy. So this is what we're keeping. I need to get her a bigger toy box. A lot of these toys were still good, only a little bit of wear and tear, but here's all the stuff we're getting rid of because they're just dead. They're dead. How do you feel about that? Are you proud? Are you proud that you killed Lamb Chop? And honestly, somewhere around here we have even more toys, because I know we're missing her gingerbread man, her little comfort toys. So she has this little, like, it's like a ball, but it like is a cow and a pig, and she has a horse and a koala. And I call those her comfort toys because whenever she gets sick or anything's wrong with her, she will literally carry them around with her, and like she'll whine and like carry it around with her, and she has to like cuddle with it. So what are you being silly? Don't bite me. Anyway, so I know she has those and they weren't in here. So, oh, do you feel the need to take your toys out? Such a kid, right? Like, she's like, oh, I can see that mom put all my toys away. Time to get them out and play. Guys, she pulled the pig out. She's crazy. Anyway, so I'm gonna throw these toys away and hopefully she doesn't cry. I always feel so bad, but I'm just like, I can't keep all of your toys that you chew up. So anyway, I'm gonna throw those away and then I'm gonna start dinner. Okay guys, it's time to start dinner. I washed my hands, don't worry, because I was touching those nasty dog toys. But tonight we are having the figgy balsamic pork. and I'm here for it. Let me tell you, this is one of my favorites. It's so good. All right, so I'm gonna get started. James is home.
Guess who's back? Back again. Vlogmas back. Tell a friend.
Okay.
Vlogmas back.
Oh my
Vlogmas
gosh.
back.
So, here we have the finished product. It looks so good. I'm so hungry. Let's eat. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Hey guys, so it is currently like 10:45, I think, and I like fell asleep for a little bit. And James is playing video games. What else is new? So I figured that I would go ahead and end today's vlog here just because I'm tired and I'm gonna fall asleep and forget to end it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you want to be notified right whenever I upload. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.
Take me